How to export footage from your Dahua NVR CCTV camera system. So first connect your monitor to NVR through your HDMI cable. At the back of NVR system you will find the HDMI port. Insert your HDMI cables one side to that port, and now connect your wireless mouse and keyboard combo. Now attach your flash drive to store your footage. At the front of the NVR system you will find another extra USB port. You will attach the flash drive. You will see a prompt on the screen. Click the file backup button and now enter your username and password. Now select the screen from which you want the footage. Now select start date and time. Now select end date and time. Then file format MP4 and search. Then click one click button to download. Wait for the download. It's done. Now click OK. Press escape button twice to clear the screen. Now take your USB to your computer and plug and play. Thanks guys. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching my video.